Hey everyone, so I'm back at the greenhouse. I have 101 things on my list to do today. However, I'm gonna do these trees first. And when I originally planted them in December, the pots were a little bit small, and I have 5 of them, the apricot ones already done, but I'm transferring them into these big pots. So actually I'm gonna keep one of them in the smaller one, because everything's starting to bud. I want to do it soon. This one hasn't done anything yet, so I might just leave that one for now and then do the other ones. So yeah, let's get to it. How heavy is that? Oh, I can still lift it. That's not bad. I can still lift it, but the tree's not in it yet. So I'm gonna have to get the tree.
I really wanted these trees to come out of the pots as one big blob of soil. However, the soil just fell away from the roots as soon as I turned it upside down. Hopefully I didn't shock the tree too much, as I really didn't want to disturb the roots.
Trees all done in 4 big pots, and I'm not quite sure where I'm going to move them. Maybe beside the greenhouse there. I want them to be sheltered, but still get lots of sun. So I have a small issue here now, that they're in the big pots. They are heavy, so I have the dolly. I'm going to try and take them around and take these 2 around to the side of the shed. They're going to our house. These 2 I really want to leave out here, but it's supposed to get frosty, so I might have to put them in a sheltered spot and maybe cover them up, or I could just put a cover over top of them, keep them frost free. I don't want this new growth dying on me, but I'm going to move them. I want to move them before I water them, otherwise they're going to be way too heavy. last one, the apricot tree, and look at these little buds. Hopefully I didn't shock it too much by transplanting it, but it needed to be done. Okay, let's go, apricot. So I have a bag of wood chips that I bought a while ago, and I'm just gonna mulch the top of these. See that? Camera around.
That's the trees all done and transplanted. I'm so happy to have that done off my list. Next up, it's time to transplant my marigold seedlings into a new home. Their little shallow trays just aren't doing it anymore. If you can recall, I planted this tray of marigold, feverfew, and ansi seeds, and you can see the feverfew in the middle. There's the little ones, but my marigolds on the side just are outgrowing this little shallow tray. So now that I have a pot freed up from the trees, I'm going to plant these little marigolds into this pot, and there they'll stay probably for the summer. I don't plan on moving them out of this pot, so I'll have a nice pot of marigolds. And with that done, it's time to move on to the next project for the week. I've been completely putting off this project for a long time, and that's finishing the shelves inside the greenhouse. And I don't know why it was taking me forever, but I really only had 2 cuts to do of these long timbers. So these are 6 meter long timbers, and I'm cutting them in 1/2 to 3 meter long sections.
So that took a little bit of wiggling, but it turned out great. The shelves are done, which is awesome. I gotta hang up my thermometer again. And then over here, I've got the two-step thing going on this side until I plane that one. I might just leave it. Not sure, but we'll see. But yeah, looks great. Hello everyone. So we're back at the greenhouse and man, is it warm. Is it ever warm? Geez, I think it's 17 degrees outside and whew, I've had the doors open all day. There's just no breeze. That's like 33. The doors are open. Love a little breeze blowing through here, but there's nothing. But that's okay. The heat's all right. I'm going to get these little tomatoes. The tomatoes love the heat. It looks like they're ready to be transplanted into little pots. So I'm going to do that. Move them into some pots. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start with the black zebra. I see one just isn't as healthy as the other two. So I'm going to start with these two. Actually, I'll pop these ones out. And we'll get them moved over.
That's the tomatoes all potted up, and I'm so happy to have that done off my list. It feels so good to have all of these projects done. I've been super busy in the greenhouse with even more planting, but I'll leave you here for the week. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned because next week I plan on doing a full tour of the greenhouse and everything that's growing, and a few things that I don't really want growing. Also, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you have growing in your garden this time of year. It's exciting to see what everyone else has planned. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll leave you there with a little microgreens treat, my little snack for the day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!